In order to become humble, we have to recognize the greatness of others, and especially greatness of Krishna. Compared to Krishna, who are we? Tiny little part and parcel. What is our size? 1/10,000th part of the tip of the hair. That is how great we are. So when we see things in that light, then this attitude of being humble becomes automatically manifest. So in that respect, we can give an example. It happened with Akbar, and he had a minister called Birbal. Birbal was famous for his intelligence and wit, and he was very dear to Akbar because of that. And other ministers became jealous of Birbal. So Akbar could sense that. So in order to teach them, in order to make them understand what Birbal actually is, so one day Akbar came to the court, and on the floor of the court, he drew a line with a chalk. And he asked, can anybody make it shorter without rubbing it off? Can you make this line shorter without rubbing it off? Everyone was stuck. Akbar asked one after another, can you do it? Can you do it? All the ministers, so puffed up, intelligent characters, couldn't. And finally he asked Birbal, can you do it? Birbal said yes. So he picked up the chalk and drew a line next to Akbar's line, which was larger than his. He said, now your line is short. So this consideration of short, being humble is a relative consideration. When we are in front of someone who is greater than us, then we will be humble. And that's why Krishna consciousness is the only means that makes us really humble. Because we see things from spiritual perspective. Yeah, as I was saying, in the material nature, what happens? No matter how great the personality is, what are we seeing? We're seeing his body made of matter. See, I am a spirit soul and I am seeing matter. What would be my natural attitude? You get the point? No matter how great the person is, we tend to think, I am greater than him. Who is Obama? It's by mistake they appointed him as the President of the United States. They should have actually appointed me. They should have recognized that I am greater than him. That goes on at the back of everyone's mind, consciously or unconsciously. Therefore, the spiritual process is the only way that we can become really humble. Because in the spiritual light, we see the other spiritual personalities, other Vaishnavas. In the spiritual light, we see Krishna, and we automatically become